Dan from About That Life in Japan. I'm just leaving Osaka, heading to Hyogo. For many clients, this might be the first time you see our new office in Hyogo, not far from the RFY garage in Sanda. This is the elevator. We go up. Small little entrance. And after leaving the elevator, through this door, and you are into the new About That Life office. I do have some students that come here. Most of the times we actually just sit on the sofa. I'm behind the desk and have our lesson. I do have some consultations here, but for the most part I do a lot of my work face-to-face at the client's office. We do have an area here to make coffee, drinks, small refrigerator, of course a restroom and all that. But for the most part, this is a kind of chill space. I feel bad sometimes because we actually sit down and talk for so long and just chat about everything. But we do try to get some work done, and I'm really happy to have this space updated, somewhat neat and presentable. I'm in the car business, so as you can see, there are some motorsport aesthetics, and that's just me. I've known Yamamoto-san from RFY for over 10 years now, maybe 15. And I'm really happy that we're continuing to expand our business work together. I'm working on some 3D prototype parts for him, and I hope we can put those out to some of the clients soon. I hope you like it. If you're in Hyogo, in particularly Sanda area, please feel free to drop by. Let's have a coffee.
This is a great place outside of Osaka, but only about 20 or 30 minutes away by car. Faster if I drive a little spiritedly. It is really nice to have an office outside of the city. Obviously much cheaper, but a huge amount of space. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to coordinate and manage pretty much everything we do. I'm really looking forward to coordinating the school, the website, the YouTube channels. This is really exciting. Finally, somewhere away from the city